folks, this is Ilya with TWRAPS, and I'll show you how to install our Trunk Protection PPF for test for Model 3. First, make sure that this area here is clean, and then spray with soapy water. Then grab the film and spray that too, and then peel off, spray the adhesive side, peel the rest of it off and spray the adhesive side. And now let's position it. And just take your time, do your best job at centering this, and make sure you position it above this folding line here. Then spray the film on top once more, and take the rubber squeegee, make that wet too, and start removing the water. As you do that, the film might misalign a little bit. You can still wiggle it. And if the film becomes dry, respray it so that the squeegee wouldn't drag when you're going over it. Notice that the film goes above this line, it folds here. I'll handle this last. For now, I just want to make sure that the main piece here is well positioned and all the water is taken out. So my first couple of passes with the squeegee, I wasn't using too much force. Now that the film is pretty much there, I'll do this with some pressure in my squeegee so that I can make sure there is no water left under the film. And now, for the last part, this folding line here, it goes pretty easily. When you have a fold like that, it's very easy to accidentally leave water at the folding line, so just make sure that you're aware of that and you don't do it. Something else worth noting is that if the weather is cold, the film might not want to bend over this line too easily, or it might not want to stick. Or if you made your own soap solution and you use too much soap, it might not stick as well. So if that happens, there are a few things you can do. One is grab a separate spray bottle with clean water, no soap, and spray the adhesive side here when the film is not sticking to clean up the soap. The other, maybe easier thing and more reliable is to just grab a heat gun or a hair dryer and warm up the film. Once you do, it will fold and it will stick. I will now spray one last time just to make sure I'm not missing anything. Yeah, that should be it. After a paint protection film installation, I would highly recommend you don't do any car washes for at least 48 hours. Other than that, in a couple of hours, you can use your car as normal. The film would already have started curing. So as long as you don't do pressure washes and such, it should be fine.